I'm on the phone with Bessie, and she's at Caitlin's house. Aren't you jealous, people? Yes, you are. Your mom's jealous. Your mom. Your mom's mom is mom. Bessie's a Sally Willy. Sally Willy. My name's Bessie, and I like people with hot bodies, but I don't get them, so I date really, really ugly people. Caitlin, why'd you guys switch the phone? My name's Bessie, and I like to fuck assholes. And I stand in my mom's bathroom on the phone with Caitlin, looking at the toothbrushes right there. Are you ready for what your mom cooked you?